Hello, I'm Robert Harvey, and I'm the Program Director for the Masters in Healthcare Leadership. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the American College of Healthcare Executives. This is a professional association at a national level. Its membership is primarily made up of healthcare professionals, about 30,000 members nationwide, a lot of employees that are in the C-suites, as well as leadership positions are a part of this association. And Friends University does have a relationship with the American College of Healthcare Executives. They have a publication arm called the Health Administration Press. That name may be familiar to you. A high percentage of the textbooks that we use in MHCL come from the Health Administration Press. The American College also has what they call a fellowship standing. And wanted to introduce that to you if you're not familiar with it. Sometimes on resumes for healthcare executives, you'll see their graduate degree, such as an MHCL, and behind that you may see the initials FACHE, which stands for Fellow in the American College of Healthcare Executives. For HR professionals in the healthcare environment, this is a certification that carries a lot of weight. And so we wanted you to know about the fellowship in American College because it can enhance your resume in terms of employment and job search. The fellowship is awarded after passing the Board of Governors exam by the American College. You also have to have a certain number of years in the healthcare field. But the touch point that I wanted to make for you is that a lot of the content that is in the textbooks that we use from the Health Administration Press directly relates to the content that is part of the topics covered in the Board of Governors exam for the American College. And so there is some benefit in terms of the study work that you do during MHCL and how that may cross over into a lot of the topical areas that you would have with the Board of Governors exam as well. There is some history between Friends and American College, and I wanted to make that connection for you. When MHCL started in 2008, we submitted our curriculum for review and comment to the American College of Healthcare Executives. They were kind enough to make a few comments, but in their review, they were very impressed with our curriculum and asked if we would like to join their higher learning network. And of course, we were honored to have that invitation. There are only 3 colleges in Kansas that are part of that network. KU Med Center, Wichita State University, and Friends University are the only 3 colleges in Kansas that are part of that. So I wanted you to be aware of those connections, and I really want to encourage you to look at membership in the American College. We're fortunate to have one of our MHCL students who will be graduating in 2016 be on the Student and Membership Committee for the Kansas chapter of the American College. Her name is Susan Runyon, and Susan has been kind enough to come in and do a short video to really detail all the benefits that come with a membership in the American College of Healthcare Executives. And you're going to see that video shortly after my comments. Just a couple of more things I wanted to underscore for you. Friends University gets no financial inurement or benefit from students signing up to be members of the American College. We promote this because we think it makes sense for your professional advancement. The second thing I wanted to mention is that we're going to be loading this video in all of the MHCL courses in the orientation or getting started section. So if you come across it more than once, I want you to know that's intentional. We want broad coverage on this. So don't want you to think it's an error. But if you have watched it once and don't want to watch it again, that's fine. But wanted you to know that it will be available in all the courses. I think that's all the comments I have for you. I would encourage you to continue watching so that you can benefit from the video that Susan Runyon is making. Thank you very much.